All right, guys, I just want to come on here and do a quick review on this awesome portable blender. I'm going to show you everything it comes with, and we're going to put together a nice protein shake. So let's go over the cup itself. So this has enough to blend any smoothies, protein drinks, anything like that. This is the actual blender itself. One thing I want to put on is that I love is that it doesn't use batteries. It actually just uses a Type-C charger, which they do give you. And then these nice sharp blades. Like I said, I already put ice in my cup, and we'll start putting some other ingredients. But one of the things that I like is it also comes with this nice lid. So you can literally just put it on there once it blends. I'm not much of a straw guy, but they also give you a straw cleaner, and then a cup cleaner. So literally everything that you need on the go. And then once you're ready, like I said, you close it. This can actually just be the cup that you drink it out of. You don't need to pour it into something. So I thought that's all super convenient. So let's see how it does. Like I said, I already got some ice in here. We'll put some protein milk, some water, and then a banana and see how it does. All right, I think I got all the ingredients in there now. One thing I did want to point out, it does have like a max line right there. So that's just kind of what I was looking at when I was pouring everything in. So we'll put just a little bit more water right up to the fill line. Cool, so let's try this out. I think it's nice and snug there. Flip it around, see? All right, I think it's done. Let's check it out. Very nice. That's literally perfect. So guys, if you're looking for a portable blender, like I've been looking for something like this just because like carrying the double scoops and all that, like it can turn into a hassle, but this is gonna make it so much easier. I'm not even like, I like that it comes with the lid, but this is me, right? I don't need much else out of it. If you're looking for a good portable blender, this one right here, highly recommend, 10 out of 10.